Day 2 of this adventure. We stopped at REI up here to get her the newest life jacket that Roughwear came out. That's a little bit thinner. It's going to be a lot easier for her to move on the canoe trip. So we did that, and now we are at a lovely AutoZone because if you guys know anything about Mercedes and diesels, you need DEF. And we are below a half, which means absolute catastrophe if you don't fill it up. Because then you
soon.
Yeah. You lose power. It's like all kinds of things. So we are going to go get DEF now and fill that up. Oh, this is lovely when it's hot.
I know. I hate doing it when it's hot.
Ooh. Think we're good?
As good as I'm gonna get.
Sounds good. Let's pour this all over me. All right.
I know.
Like, you don't want to tip it too much because it's like it's going to come out that hole and get everywhere.
I know. It's always a fun thing.
What is this? This is a 2.5 gallon. That's what I thought.
Okay.
I was like, usually it's pretty spot on.
It usually is. Like, just about half is a whole box.
I know. Take that.
I mean, they do it on purpose, thankfully, so.
Thank God for that.
Take it. There we go.
Right. Woohoo! All right, well, that was DEF. Now we are going to go camp out over in a river park so I can get some school done, and then they'll give me probably about 3 hours to do some schoolwork, because unfortunately I couldn't do this one couldn't get ahead until the doctor signed, graded another assignment. So, but then once that's done, Glacier opens up at 3 p.m. for non-reservations, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head over that way and do that. So let's go over to the river park. It'll be a nice, expensive trip. We have made it to the River Edge Park. We are going to make some food. Somebody wanted the Dan noodles, but it messed up her stomach. So I don't know if I'm gonna eat that yet or not. But we definitely do have some pasta made to make a pasta salad.
Yeah, I want that.
Yeah, so we'll probably work on that, and then we'll feed Chancey, and then we'll probably go walk a little bit, and then I have school to do, so let's make some lunch. So we got a whole bunch of pasta from Costco, and we used one of them for like a pasta salad. So mainly what we did was we have a whole bunch of Tillamook cheese, and we did some bacon bites. We did some buttermilk ranch, some of our AP, and then this stuff that we got from Trader Joe's. I don't know how to say it, don't ask me. But it's a garlicky, spicy seasoned blend. So we did all of that. Now a nice cool lunch is ready, but I am actually going to eat the Dan noodles that was left over, so that way we don't waste those.
Yep.
So, but there's your pasta salad. It's not bad.
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Huh.
It looks good. They're like huge noodles compared to everything else.
They really are. But we've got plenty for the next time too. Yeah, it's not bad. Probably some cooked broccoli and stuff would be nice too, but this was just kind of like a throw together. And we're gonna feed Chansey, and I'm gonna warm up my Dan Dan noodles now. All right, now that you're done protesting lunch.
I know.
I swear.
She's so funny.
She's been so good about it.
I know, we were talking about it just not long ago.
I know. Well, it's not like we've been traveling like this either, so.
I know. It's new.
Yeah. Well, plan is eat this, go for a little walkie. It's a cute little place.
It's really cute.
And
like a vegetable garden up there.
Yeah. And then go to Glacier for a little bit and then head back out.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hope you got that taste. I really wanted there to be 5G here so I could just use my hotspot. We had to turn on Starlink so that way I can do some schoolwork. So this will be fun.
At least we have it.
And it's Montana, you sneaky, because that sun's out and it's cloudy and overcast, and I know I'm going to get sunburned, so I'm absolutely putting a sun shirt on because I do not trust you.
Yeah, we both should.
Uh-huh.
I know. Feel it today.
I am not going to get burnt.
Okay, that's our goal, not to get burnt.
Most of the time it is. But we're excited. Day 2, going down in the books of the trip of chaos.
We're not even halfway through. It's barely noon.
We've got so much more to do.
Oh, it'll be fun.
Yeah, it will be.
I like the mango one better.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it real quick. We just got these Waterloo sparkling waters, and we got the mango one that Guy Fieri does. All of these are Guy Fieri's
They're
or
all
whatever's.
his, yeah.
It tastes like more grape-ish.
That's why I don't think I like it as much.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mango one's better. I was
Yeah.
excited about this one, but
But we also got, we stopped at Trader Joe's and we got the watermelon lemonade one too, which is really good because it's their seasonal one.
that one's really good.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Like a little. And we've reached the water's edge.
It's moving.
Columbia Falls is where this is at.
Yeah,
It's really nice.
it is. It's moving real fast, though.
Yeah, it is.
It's really pretty, though.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, good catch. Come on.
More traffic. Story of our lives right now.
Nothing new.
Yep, so we just entered Glacier National Park and we went to go get our pass.
Who doesn't
always
check your
do.
pass?
Yeah.
And it's always expired when you go to use it.
Yeah, so sorry if we're a little crooked right now. We're on a very tilted road. So we are going to have to buy a new one, which I'm excited to see what the design is. We've
I
gotten
know.
one every year now from
22?
2022. Yeah.
Well, we missed 1 year.
Yeah, we did miss 1 year.
Yeah, so we have 22, 23, and 25.
Yeah, it was probably when we were doing the house.
Yeah, probably.
Yep.
Well, 24, 25.
23 we missed, yeah.
We have 23. 22, 23, 25.
Yeah, so 24 we missed with the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were just going to go adventure a little bit in here. Not do too much. We just want to go, if anything, to the park itself. Go check out the lake because the Going to the Sun Road is closed still, partial way. If it doesn't open till like June 30th, and we won't be here then.
Nope. So we'll see what we can see now.
Yep, and then we're just going to head back down, I think, after that to probably Missoula and make camp for the night. See what happens. absolutely beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Made it to Glacier National Park, and it is absolutely crazy here.
Oh my God, it's so busy.
I know. I'm staying on a sand mount. It makes me look so much taller than you.
I know it does. It's really weird.
Yeah. So we came to Lake McDonald, and it's probably about the only thing that we're going to be able to do, especially since we have Chansey. But this is mainly what we want to see was the colorful rocks here in the lake.
Yeah. They're definitely red.
Yeah. Definitely can see some of it. Just a little bit, but not as much as probably what they blow up in the photos when people publish them.
Oh, yeah.
But it's a beautiful lake. It's very pretty. It's really cool to see because all of these rocks are made from that iron over millions of years, and the red ones and the blue ones, they all have their own story to tell.
Yeah, different minerals and deposits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really
It's
cool
really
looking.
cool. Yeah.
Very hot out in the sun though.
Ooh, it is toasty.
I bet you that water feels nice and cold though, huh?
It is. It's really cold.
Yeah.
There's all sorts of colors.
If she falls, I've got this on camera at least. That's good. Oh, I bet.
It's like a double. There's two. You can't see it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I can see the other one, yeah.
I made it.
Woo! Yeah.
This is where this comes in handy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, that was a nice little stop, even though we're not going to do much here. At least we can say we've been here, but we thought be able to drive the road, but that doesn't open until June 30th. So, you live and you learn and you check things before you come, but whatever.
Yeah, we'll have
But-
to come back at some point in our lives and do the whole thing.
Yep. But for right now, we're going to head down to Missoula because I think we're just going to sleep at a Cracker Barrel tonight.
That's the plan.
Yep, so let's get back in the van and go. All right, guys, Cracker Barrel, once again for the win. So I got some chicken tenders with some mac and cheese and potatoes with a whole bunch of sauces. Amanda got broccoli, French toast with fried chicken. Yep, and we're gonna have some Trader Joe's lemonade with that. And of course, Chansey's having her dinner right now. I definitely know Cracker Barrel is like not all that it's cracked up to be, but it's good to like support these places, obviously, too.
Yeah,
It's kind of the same thing with Harvest Host.
Absolutely. If we're staying overnight somewhere, we like to support that business in some way by buying something,
Yeah.
if it's food or whatever.
Yep. So they got rid of my buffalo mac and cheese, so I'm just going to do the next best thing, which is chicken tenders and mac and cheese.
I was really looking forward to splitting that with you.
I know. We are so hungry, though, from all the adventures today. Like, no doubt. Yeah. Oh, we forgot to cheers. Cheers. Boop. I know their grilled tenders are really good. I've never really had their fried. I'm going to try it with the ranch first.
The breading is sweet on it. I wasn't expecting that.
Okay. I think I got their country sauce, too, and I already took it
This
as...
was ranch.
Uh-huh.
Can I steal some?
Yeah, go for it. This is like... I don't know how to explain that. Oh, wow. That country sauce is different. You can try it. See if you can explain it. It's like very peppery at the same time.
It's kind of like a chipotle mayo, but definitely not.
It's definitely got something like sweet about it at the same time.
It makes me think of like a seafood sauce.
Like a tartar sauce?
Kind of.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's good. I don't know how to explain it
Yeah,
either.
that Nashville hot though is hot.
Is it really hot?
Try it.
I don't want to try it.
Okay. And then I got some biscuits and we got our own, of course, apple butter.
Oh my god, this little
Yep.
syrup they gave me, it's a glass bottle.
Yeah.
I'm probably not even going to use it, but it's so cute.
Yeah. This,
but we're almost done with our syrup in the fridge. So
I know. This Nashville is like thick hot too.
it looks really thick. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad I got this. I wanted breakfast, but I also
Ooh.
wanted some kind of protein.
Wow.
It wasn't eggs.
That's like sweet hot.
Okay. Well, that's all yours.
Come on, one time, please. Please. I try things all the time for you. Pretty please.
Make a little piece of chicken. I have chicken.
Oh, okay. I think I like the country sauce, but I definitely like it with the buttermilk ranch.
Yeah. The country sauce is really good. Oh, it's smoky. Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Did you get the sweetness though first?
Yeah. I'm like, oh, this isn't bad. And then
Yeah.
it was like,
Yeah.
yeah, I think I'm good with that. That's all yours.
Isn't that
Oh,
insane?
it burns after.
Mm-hmm. That's what Nashville hot is supposed to do though. Ooh.
I've never had it. I don't
Yeah.
want it.
I can't wait to take you to Hattie B's when we go through Nashville at some point.
I will
That'll be
try a
fun.
bite.
Yeah, well, they can do mile or no. So, yeah, so that's nice. We're going to eat this. I still have some school to finish up, and then we will check back in with you guys later. We have 8 for the night. I've worked on school. Still not done. Need to finish that tomorrow.
At some point.
But it is 10 o'clock at night. It is still light outside because the sun set at 9:40
It's crazy.
or something like that. Maybe it was lower because we came down for that. I think 9:30.
Maybe, yeah.
So we are in the Cracker Barrel parking lot, like we said. Streaming children outside at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it's warm in the van right now. It's not warm outside. It's just warm in the van.
Oh, I'm comfortable.
Means I'm warm.
I know.
So we are going to call it a night.